Good afternoon. This is a severe weather update on the Weather for New England YouTube channel. This is First Alert Skywarn Doppler, bringing you a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Russell County, Alabama. The National Weather Service in Birmingham, Alabama has a severe thunderstorm warning remaining in effect for eastern Russell County until 2:15 Central Standard Time, 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. At 1:54, severe thunderstorm was reported, producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. It was located near Seal, or 14 miles east of Hurtsboro, moving to the north-northeast at 45 miles an hour. If you are in Phoenix City and Bibb City, take your immediate precautions. Also, if you are in Fort Mitchell, Uchu Creek, and Phoenix, a tornado watch remains in effect, and we do have a probability of tornadoes. Right now, this storm does not look that impressive on radar, but we do have reports that it is producing some heavy wind. And on base velocity, and this is the Doppler part of Doppler radar, you can see that there is now some turning of the wind, but nothing immediately tornadic. And again, it is not very strong either. Some weak turning of the winds at the lower levels. As we go up, we see that there is indeed more intense wind in this storm. Again, but nothing really within this area. The only thing that is concerning me a bit is right here, south of Knuckles, or near the community of Fort Mitchell. It is where we have this red and green. Now, it is not strong at all, and we are probably seeing nothing anywhere near the ground, which is why there is no tornado warning, and there is really no organized rotation. But still, the probability for some strong winds. It doesn't look like we're going to have any hail out of this system, but lightning could be an issue. So, generally, until 2:15, so about 4 minutes from now, we will see if they reissue this severe thunderstorm warning. I want to bring you over now into parts of Georgia. Now, as we go in towards the Atlanta area, where we do have some heavy rain that is causing backups and perhaps flooding there. As you see on the warnings, there is now flash flood warnings, not for Georgia, but I expect those will probably have to be issued at some point, especially if heavy rain continues. And we have now a lower level icon for some possible rotation. So first of all, I want to take a look at that. This would be in DeKalb County between Decatur and Reading, and in a very heavy populated area: Clarkston, Scottsdale, Ivandale Estates, Belvedere Park, Glen Haven. We have some possible rotation. And yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a little closer than I'd like. Right now, there are no severe thunderstorm warnings. There are no tornado warnings. But we have, when you get the red and the greens together, an area of 25 knots to about 34 knots. Again, that is not indicative of anything very severe right at the moment. Again, these are at the further higher up tilts, but this is probably what radar is picking up. One of the logarithms are sounding off this rotational icon. I'm not saying that this storm is going to produce a tornado, but the area is under a tornado watch. Any severe thunderstorm can produce tornadoes with little or no advanced warning. So I want everyone to go ahead in this area and know what their precautions are going to be should a tornado warning be issued, because it may as it moves off, may produce a tornado. And another thing I wanted to show was the stormfall rain totals, not so much in the Atlanta metropolitan area, as much to the northern part of the state, in Dade and Walker County. The heaviest of the rainfall now is really between Dade and Walker County, and possibly an area of just over 3 inches has fallen west of Linwood and Lafayette, just over the Dade and Walker County lines. This has been a severe weather update. Please stay tuned to this YouTube channel for continuing updates on